Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list we'll enter to the window of Twitter and we click. Then in this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your